How to turn on or turn off daytime on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on date and time. So after click on date and time, so if you want to turn on or turn off automatically date and time, so if you want to turn off automatic date and time, so turn off this button. So you will see automatic date and time is turn off. So if you want to turn on automatic date and time, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see automatic date and time is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off date and time from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off automatic date and time on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.